Survival gadgets that you can buy online 2024. Brighten up the dark with this gadget and be prepared for any emergencies and disasters with this rechargeable weather alert radio with solar panel. Stick around because in today's video, we have some very interesting picks for you. Nebo Unisex Torchy 2K Flashlight illuminates. Brighten up the dark with the Nebo Unisex Torchy 2K Flashlight. It provides 5 light modes: high, medium, low, strobe, and turbo. The high mode gives you 500 lumens of brightness, while the medium mode delivers 200. Meanwhile, the strobe clocks 500 lumens, and the turbo boasts 2000. So you definitely have a range of lighting options. What's more, this EDC gadget features anodized aircraft-grade aluminum for durability. It's also water and impact resistant, so you won't have to worry about falls and splashes. Meanwhile, the pocket-sized design easily fits in a bag, backpack, or back pocket. Southeast 11 Function Stainless Steel Survival Pocket Tools. With so much functionality in one pocket-sized device, our 11 Function Stainless Steel Pocket Tool can be used anytime, anywhere, while biking, camping, hiking, at home, school, work, and with all sorts of activities and situations. For your convenience, simply attach this tool onto a jump/key/split ring, lanyard, etc. by using the small keychain hole, or you can take advantage of its credit card size and keep this tool inside your pocket, wallet, emergency/survival kit, and wherever you may need it. You never expect an emergency to happen. This often leaves us stranded without the tools we need. With the convenient size and many functions of our pocket tool, it's easy to always be prepared. Invoxia Cellular GPS Tracker. With high precision, high-frequency location updates every 30 seconds, this turn-by-turn tracking mode ensures you have all the tools you need to recover stolen goods and protect your vehicles, valuables, or anything else you need to keep safe. Ideal for emergency situations where you or the police need to track down your belongings quickly, as high-frequency updates consume more energy. To ensure that your GPS tracker doesn't run out of battery, Real-Time Boost will be automatically deactivated after 30 minutes. If you want to extend this period, you can choose to at any time. Sensitive motion and tilt detection make it possible to easily protect stolen vehicles like motorcycles, bikes, and more. Receive an alert immediately when someone bumps into your ride. Having a tracker on your bike greatly increases your chances of keeping it safe from thieves. No wires are needed. Instant installation. Discreetly hide the cellular GPS tracker in the glove box, under a seat in the trunk, or in a seat back pocket. Thieves will never know it's there. Monitor vehicles and loved ones from anywhere. Blaver Solar Power Bank. With over 10 years' experience of portable solar power banks, Blaver has already gained the favor and trust of over 27 million global users. Blaver only uses the highest grade materials to provide safe and reliable products to customers. 5V 2.4 in output, 50% faster charging speed and zero damage to your devices. Support charging 3 devices simultaneously, multiple charging/recharge methods, freeing your worries of a power outage. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, and most smart devices. Blaver uses the safer lithium cobalt battery, which is 50% more cycling times than a normal li-polymer battery. The smallest and lightest portable charger on the market. Real rated 10,000 mAh. A full charge can recharge the iPhone 8 3.6 times, iPhone 14 Pro 2.2 times, and the iPad Air once. The outer case is made from flame-retardant ABS plus PC materials. The waterproof silicone better protects the internal structure of the charger. Rubber skin feel oil coating process to form a protective film on the surface, comfortable touch, and exquisite appearance. UCO Stormproof Match Kit with waterproof case. UCO Stormproof matches will light and burn for up to 15 seconds, even the strongest winds. If UCO Stormproof matches get wet, wipe them off before use and strike on a dry striker to ignite. UTO Stormproof matches can survive being dropped in a puddle or dirt while burning and will relight as long as there is phosphorus remaining in the orange section. Matches that are windproof and waterproof are reliable in situations where cooking, generating warmth, or making signal fires are vital to survival. An O-ring creates a waterproof seal that protects the matches and strikers from moisture. The case also floats for extra peace of mind. An external integrated striker is easy to replace if it becomes wet or worn. 2 spare strikers are included and stored inside the case. Fly 2 Sky Tent Lamp Portable LED Tent Light 4-packs Clip Hook. 4 PIS LED tent lanterns don't include batteries. You can choose a battery brand that is used frequently. Palm-sized 5.7 x 2.1 inch portable LED tent light. Takes up very little room. Easy to carry and grip for kids. Powered by 3x AAA alkaline batteries, not included. Lighting time of up to 10 to 15 hours in highlight mode. Avoid frequent battery changes. Portable LED camping lantern for outdoor adventure aficionados. Each battery-operated camping light has built-in 3 LED tent lamp beads, a camp night light that easily illuminates the whole campsite. Super bright portable LED camping light, whatever you do like long talks, playing games, reading, or walking at night. 4 colors mark different teams. Eveready LED headlamps. This Eveready headlamp is another innovative solution. Featuring LED technology, users get a bright, lightweight, hands-free solution with ample runtime capability. It is a perfect light for home, work, and outdoor activities. With an adjustable head strap and pivoting head to direct light exactly as needed. This headlamp is another way Eveready continues to deliver innovative lighting solutions. Featuring a shatterproof lens and an IPX4 water-resistant rating, these headlamps can handle just about anything you throw at them. Operating on 3 AAA batteries per headlamp, these headlamps give you efficient, long-lasting visibility. Carson X-Scope Kids 7-function multi-purpose optical pocket tool. The X-Scope from Carson is a 7-function, multi-use optical pocket tool. The X-Scope contains a 30x microscope, 8x telescope, 9x fold-out magnifier, LED flashlight, signal whistle, directional compass, and digital clock. It is compact, lightweight, and easy to use. This multi-use pocket tool will provide hours of entertainment and fun. It is powered by 3 or 44 button cell batteries included. It is backed by Carson. Cameron named his company Coppitor USA and began cold calling buyers at national retail chains and writers working for major media publications. Cameron quickly gained placement in mail-order catalogs that included the Sharper Image and Orvis. His public relations efforts gained the company much-needed exposure in media outlets that included the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, and Popular Science. Nimble Pal Plus Cell Phone Power Bank. The Pal Plus is a 3-in-1 power bank, flashlight, and folding knife that conveniently fits in your pocket, purse, bag, or emergency kit. This portable, rechargeable 400-lumen flashlight is great for everyday carry, EDC, and serves as a backup power source for USB rechargeable devices. The Pal Plus also features a locking 3-folding blade that can be removed for safe travel. Water and impact resistant, this utility tool is perfect for hunting, fishing, camping, and any outdoor activities. The compact design of the Pal Plus allows you to easily carry 3 essential tools that a lot of people use every day. An American Red Cross FRX 3 Plus Emergency NOAA Weather Radio. Be prepared for any emergencies and disasters with this rechargeable, weather alert radio with solar panel and hand turbine power generator. No emergency kit is complete without this multipurpose tool. The alert function automatically broadcasts any emergency weather alerts for your area. Keep it charged via a solar panel, hand crank, or a built-in rechargeable battery. This AM/FM/NOAA weather band digital radio with display and alarm clock can also charge a smartphone via a USB port. Also features an LED flashlight and red flashing beacon for visibility anywhere. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.